In today's video, we'll use common household ingredients like onion, fenugreek seeds, methi, garlic, curry leaves, and coconut oil to enhance hair health. We'll explore their benefits for hair, offering affordable remedies for healthy, beautiful hair. If you find anything helpful in my video, please share it. Let's start by discussing the benefits of these ingredients for hair. Onions for hair. Antioxidants reduce free radicals, promoting growth. High sulfur strengthens roots, boosts collagen, prevents breakage. Antimicrobial properties combat dandruff, fungus, bacteria. Moisturizes scalp, treats baldness effectively. Maintains pH balance, delays graying, enhances overall hair health. Benefits of curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, proteins, and antioxidants, promoting cellular regeneration and healthy scalp circulation. This boosts hair growth, skin renewal, and overall scalp health. Benefits of garlic cloves. Garlic's sulfuric acid content kills scalp bacteria, preventing dandruff and stimulating blood circulation for hair growth. Benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil softens and conditions hair, reduces protein loss, adds shine, locks in moisture, and stimulates growth. Benefits of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are protein-rich and contain nicotinic acid, combating hair fall, dandruff, dryness, balding, and thinning. Ingredients for making onion hair oil. 500 grams of coconut oil. 2 onions. 15 to 20 curry leaves, curry powder. 10 to 15 fenugreek seeds, methi. 10 cloves of garlic. Let's start learning how to prepare onion hair oil. Slice the onions thinly and combine all ingredients in a pan. Allow the mixture to sweat until the onions turn golden brown. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it cool. Strain the mixture and store the oil in an airtight container. Optionally, let the mixture sit overnight for better infusion. Add aloe vera gel or honey for extra benefits during application. Optionally, add 2 to 3 drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil to mask the onion odor and enhance benefits. This recipe provides a comprehensive guide to making homemade onion hair oil, harnessing the natural benefits of each ingredient for healthy hair.